Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to fix unable to uninstall Riot Client. If you are unable to uninstall the Riot Client from your PC, it's usually because some files are still running in the background, or leftover folders are preventing the uninstallation. You can fix this by removing all Riot-related files, uninstalling Riot Vanguard, and clearing residual folders from your system. First, open the search bar on your computer and type Settings, then click on it. Next, click on Apps from the left side menu. Then, select Installed Apps to see all the applications on your system. Now, search for Riot Client in the list. Once you find it, click on the three dots next to Riot Client and select Uninstall. You should also uninstall Riot Vanguard if it is installed, as it is part of the Riot system. After that, go to the Riot Client, right-click on it, and select Open File Location. From here, click on Local Disk C at the top to go to your main drive. Now, right-click on the Riot Games folder and select Delete to remove leftover files. Next, open the search bar again and type Run, then click on it. In the Run box, type App Data and click OK. Inside App Data, click on the local folder. Here, right-click on the Riot Games folder and select Delete. After removing all files, go back to your desktop. Right-click on the Recycle bin and select Empty Recycle bin. Click Yes to confirm the deletion. Finally, restart your computer to complete the uninstallation process. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you got some value. See you in the next one.